Acura NSX is one of the coolest rebirths of a performance car. One thing that is a little bit disappointing is in its stock form is very quiet. It doesn't have that rich sport sound that you find in McLaren, Lamborghini, Ferrari. As an actual hybrid car with front electric motors, the car, when it is in that function, is obviously dead quiet. But when it's engaged into standard mode, comfort, or sport, as a car like this, it should have some real sound. It's dead quiet. Now, with this upgraded exhaust, it actually feels and sounds like a performance vehicle. Very crisp, almost titanium sounding, even though it's a stainless steel exhaust system. The Quicksilver exhaust comes as a full replacement muffler. The exhaust system saves 8 kilograms. Doing the exhaust system on the edge. It's just a nice clean tone to listen to as you're going through the Listening to me talk about the exhaust pretty much does nothing. So let's hear what the exhaust does. We have 11 miles left of gas, so we're going to run electric. This is 14 miles an hour, so we're definitely not in ludicrous territory, but we are hybrid. It's like driving a big fancy golf cart, which is kind of cool. 25 miles an hour, so we're cruising now. We're getting up there, almost 30. It's nice, since we only have 11 miles and maybe 11.6 to go to get gas. This will help us.